Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for Python interviews, internships, placements or even your college Viva, then this series is for you. In this video, we'll discuss the first 10 most frequently asked Python interview questions. I'll not only give you the answers but also explain them in a way that's easy to understand and easy to remember for interviews. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
The first question is, what is Python? This is probably the most basic question, but don't underestimate it. Interviews often ask to this check whether you have a clear understanding of the language.
A good answer would be Python is a high-level interpreted general-purpose programming language. It is famous for its simple and readable syntax, which makes it beginner-friendly, while also being powerful enough for professional software development. One of the best things about Python is that it supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural programming, object-oriented programming, and functional programming. Today, Python is used in many fields such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, web development, and even cloud computing. As an interview tip, if the interviewer asks, "What is Python?" don't stop after saying it's a programming language. Always mention at least 3 or 4 real-world applications. This shows that you understand where Python is actually used in the industry. Now, let's move on to the next question.
Question number 2. Where can you run Python code? This is another commonly asked interview question.
Python code can be executed in multiple environments depending on your needs. The simplest way is by using the Python interpreter through the command prompt or terminal. Most developers use professional code editors and IDEs such as Visual Studio Code or PyCharm because they provide features like debugging, code completion, and project management. If you are working on machine learning or data science projects, Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook are also very popular because they allow you to write and execute Python code directly from your browser without installing everything on your computer. So remember, Python is flexible. You can run it using the command line, an IDE, or even online platforms depending on your project requirements. Let's move on to the third question.
Question 3. Why is Python called an interpreted language? This is one of the most frequently misunderstood interview questions.
Many students simply say Python is interpreted because it is executed line by line. While that's not completely wrong, it's also not the complete explanation. The correct explanation is that Python source code is first converted into something called bytecode. This bytecode is then executed by the Python virtual machine, also known as the PVM. Unlike languages such as C or C++, you don't manually compile Python code into machine code before running it. Instead, the interpreter handles the execution process for you. That's why Python is known as an interpreted language. Here's another interview tip. If you mention the terms bytecode and Python virtual machine while answering this question, your answer immediately sounds more professional and demonstrates a deeper understanding of how Python actually works. That brings us to the end of the first 3 questions. In the next part, we'll continue with more important Python interview questions that are frequently asked during technical interviews. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which company you are preparing for. See you in the next part.